There were four major steps in tobacco production: leaf sorting, leaf shredding, cigarette rolling, and cigarette packaging. Leaf sorting, the first step in tobacco production, took place at the east of the factory. Workers opened barrels of tobacco leaves in front of warehouse number 3, did some initial tying, and sent the leaves to the leaf sorting department. The leaves were first heated in a steam chamber to kill insects and their eggs. Then, they were blended in rollers. Workers beside the conveyor belt helped to remove leaf stems and then placed the leaves in a roller to compress them. Next was the flavoring process. After this, the leaves were put in iron carts and transported to the shredding area. In the early days, this step was not mechanized and was done manually.